So, it's been a while since I uploaded a video here in YouTube, and today I'm back with an unboxing video. And before anything else, I would be hosting a small K-pop album giveaway. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. So I have two albums here. This one I have removed it from its box because it arrived yesterday, and for this one it arrived just this morning, so I have not removed it from its package or from its wrap. And it's my first time to unbox an album with a poster tube, so please bear with me. So let's remove this first from its package. Oh, sorry. Let's set aside the first album. So I changed the angle of my camera. I hope it's okay now. I really don't know where to start. So I finally removed the poster tube. Let's set this aside. Grabe, ang daming layers ng bubble wrap. Finally, the last layer. I actually ordered this album months ago, but it arrived late because I ordered it under normal ETA or estimated date of arrival. So I have not watched any unboxing video. Nakikita ko na siya. To surprise myself. Yeah. Oh my gosh! Ito na siya. Tada! Rosé's first solo album. Ayaw makisama nung camera ko Ayan, better angle. Finally. So, kunin natin yung isa. Ito yung isa. Yung isa naka-folded poster lang siya. And yung isa poster tube. So, let's first open this one. Yung naka-fold. Let's first see this double-sided poster. Wow, wait. Expand ko yung video. Ayan. So pretty, right? Oh, pretty. Oh my gosh. And to think that Rosé made this or designed this herself, it actually makes it more special. Ang ganda-gandang cute. And the other side, it's this one. Everything I need is on the ground. Chaeyoung, why are you so pretty? Okay, so let's proceed with the album. So this is the pre-order benefit, I think, of K-Town. So we have 3 photo cards. The same lang ata sa lahat. Ito yung first one. The first one. Focus ka. And the second one. And the third one. And then we have here, oops. This is the pre-order benefit from the fan site. Tada! So let's open this one. Ayan, mag-SMR tayo. So this is Rosé's first solo album. The front. Yes, Rosé designed this herself. So it's really pretty. Ang ganda nung pagka-collage niya. It's so aesthetic. Wow, aesthetic. And at the side, here, Rosé first single album. And marami akong nababasa sa Twitter na akala nila dumi yung design dito sa likod. Well, actually, it's the design of the album. But it actually looked pretty. We have here Rosé sign. Yes. Okay, so excited. Bakit ba ayaw kumalma? Let's open this one. Oh my gosh. Tada! Kinikilig ako. Okay, kalma tayo. So so this one, I think the photo cards are here. So, huli natin. Okay. So, this is the photo book. And the CD. Wow, it's so pretty. Unang tingin, simple lang siya. Pero, the design is so elegant, right? So, that's the CD. Okay, sorry guys, it's my first time to unbox an album. Okay, so here's the photo book. But I figured it out. Can you see it? And in front, we have here the R. Yes. So, let's take a look. Oh my gosh. Okay, so if you don't know, Rosé is my bias wrecker. So, I'm so in love with her. Okay? Wow, it's so pretty. Ang pretty ng colors. And then it all just stopped. I never thought we'd come. Oh my gosh! Look at that one! Gusto ko na lang maging cherry. Cherry ba yan? Look at her eyes. Wow. The other side then. Oh my god! So pretty. I really love this picture of Rosé. It's so, elegant and daring. Oh my gosh! Look at that girl. She's so pretty. Yes. Oh, ang dami ko ng oh my gosh, no? Ang pretty niya. Oh my gosh, bakit kang ganyan nakatingin, Miss Ma'am? Huwag kang tumingin sa akin ng ganyan, ah. Okay, fast forward. Rosé with Hank. He's so cute with that jacket. Oh, ang dami niyang shots lying down, and I really love it. Kasi ang ganda ng angle niya. Oh my god, I love this picture. And Hank, wow. Sexy. Okay, guys, Rosé said na smile. Okay? Strike her best pose. Oh, so cute. Ang ganda kasi whole page yung picture. Unlike sa ibang albums nila sa group, di covered yung whole pages. And madaming nagagalit kasi ang dami pa raw blank pages. So that's all for the photo book. Ang ganda nung lahat ng pictures. So let's get into this. This is the letter written by Rosé herself. So these are my pulls. Okay. Here are the stickers. Okay, let's proceed with the photo cards. First one. Oh, so pretty talaga. I got this one and tada! Oh my god! Haba nung legs ni Rosé dito. Ayan. Postcards. Ay, wait. Anong likod nun? Okay. The postcards. It's all black and white, which is very pleasing to the eyes. And ito pala yung letter by so I will be reading this later. Oh my gosh, wag po. Okay, guys, ako lang ba, pero ang bango ng mga bagong bukas na albums. Okay, so I think it's the same. Let's check. Siya. Yes, it's the same. And this one is from ano ngang fan site yun? Philos? Hindi ko tandaan, pero from the fan site rin. Okay, so let's open this one and see what's inside. So, ayan, natanggal ko na yung plastic niya. I know pareho lang yung laman niya, pero mag-iiba lang siguro sa post ko sa Photocards. And I hope na-pull ko yung legacy. Paano ba i-pronounce yun? Legacy? Legacy. Okay, so the CD, like the first one, and the Photobook. So, hindi ko na ipapakita sa inyo kasi pareho lang yung ang ano niya, content from the first one. Let's see what we got, what Photocards we got. Okay. Ah! Let's start with the Photocards. Ta-da! Ooh! So it's a different one. Yeah, iba siya. The Photocards and the postcards are different from the first one. So we have here side Rosé. Wow, this is so pretty. Ang ganda ng pagkakakuha. Full of emotions. Diba? Yun, grabe yung mata niya. Wow, this is so pretty. Si Jisoo ba yung kumuha nito? Pero yung pinost niya sa Instagram na dito rin yung background is si Jisoo kumuha, I think. Yes. That's it. I'm so happy na iba yung nakuha ko na postcards from the first one. Okay, so let's proceed with the Photocard. Oh my god. Sumilip ng isa. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Okay, so the first one, we have, wow, this is so pretty, Lollipop Rosé. I got this, yes, I'm so happy. And I think hindi siya legacy. Okay, Rosé playing piano, it's so cute. Wow, so that's it. That's my post for the second one. Ay, wait, hindi ko pala natatanggal yung poster dito sa poster tube. Paano ba to? Wait. Okay. So, we have here. We open here. So glad na bumili ako ng poster tube for this one kasi sayang talaga kapag finold yung poster ni Rosé. As in, ano siya, kasi super pretty. Okay, and it's the same. Oh no, it's, okay, hindi siya same. Yung nasa likod, hindi siya same, okay? So, Rosé. Okay, so hindi ko pala na-play, grabe. Natapos ko na yung video, hindi pala naka-play. But, as I was saying, okay, sorry ha, inaanto kasi ako. So, as I was saying, this one, nakaharap siya, looking to the side. Yung isa naman is naka-jacket siya and nagsa-side view, which is I really love kasi iba-iba yung poster and iba-iba yung mapapa-frame ko. So, that's it. So, I'm really glad na iba-iba yung laman niya and yung posters. Yung pareho lang siguro is yung K-Town pre-order benefit, yung Photobook, yung Outbox, syempre. And I'm glad na iba-ibang Photocards yung na-post ko. Oops, meron pa pala. Okay, so these are all freebies from the shop I ordered the album from. It's from Just Shop. So you can check them on Twitter. And they are really accommodating and grabe sila magbigay ng freebies. So let's see what their freebies are this time. Oh my gosh. Oh, so these are all, I have 4 photo cards. Yes, 4 photo cards. And tignan nyo naman yung quality. Yung quality, it's really the same with the quality of the order benefits from K-Town. Grabe, dinaig ni Ate Jess yung K-Town. Ayan. Tada! Yan o. So, this is so pretty. Tignan nyo. Worth it na worth it talaga yung pag-order mo kay Ate Jess. Then we have here this acrylic ata to na you can scan this code. You can scan this and it will direct you to Spotify to play On the Ground by Rosé, and this is so pretty. Ang ganda ito pang display. So this is her thank you card. You can reach her via these sites. Oh, for the giveaway pala guys, I have an ongoing giveaway on Twitter. Don't Mess Up My Tempo album giveaway on Twitter at famelviva. You can check it out. You just have to follow simple steps or rules, and you can have the chance to have an unsealed album or Don't Mess Up My Tempo album. So I'm giving away the album in celebration of the comeback of the XOXO together with Lay, which I'm very excited, and maya mag-release sila no teaser. So I'm ending this video now kasi aabangan ko yung teaser na lalabas. I hope you love or like this video, even though awkward ako or what, kasi first time ko na mag-unbox or unboxing video ng album. And thank you all for your support. I will see you all soon again kasi mag-unbox ako ng another album. So thank you all for watching. Bye!